Hey there, so I'm going to show you how to change your description and your title in your Facebook groups for your parties. So why I do that is because Facebook is really lame, and when people join a new group, it sets their notifications to just see highlights. So I try to fix some of that by posting in the parties on the first day that they need to change their notification settings to see all. But sometimes people don't follow directions, so we try to go around Facebook algorithms and notify guests of when the party is getting close to closing by changing the description and the title of the group. So let me show you how. So in your Facebook group for your party, I'm going to click the little menu button and hit Edit Group Settings. If you're on your phone, you just hit the little shield at the top right. And when I set up my party, normally this line right here says the party starts Monday. So when people do come to the group as they get invited, they can see that the party will be starting in a few days. And so when Monday hits, I change that description to the party has started. And then on Thursday, I say there's only 2 days left to order, which is this one. And then tomorrow, I'll change it to there's only 1 day left to order. So when they do get a notification, they can click on their little bell and click on the notification. It'll bring them to the description and it'll tell them this. It's all nice and bold at the top. And it also has the link at the bottom for them to order. So they can go, oh shoot, only 1 day left to order. Let me go ahead and order and get my order in before it's too late. So they don't have to go searching for the link and whatnot. So do that one. And then also when it's the last day to order, I'll put some stars. Last day to order. And so they'll get a notification there as well. And whenever they go to the group, they can see it up at the top. I also will change that again on Sunday and say final call on all orders before I close the party out after the host has put her order in. So hopefully those tips will help you bring in some extra orders and rewards for your host. Give it a shot. Let me know.